Hello everyone, my name is John Hart and I'm the director of the Low Income Taxpayer Clinic at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service, and today I want to talk to you about 1099s. So if you've ever been an employee, you've probably gotten a W-2 form before, and you might already know about withholding. Withholding is when your employer takes out income taxes from your paycheck. Now in the United States, for tax purposes, there are really two kinds of workers. There are employees who get W-2s with their pay, and then there are also independent contractors who get 1099s. Self-employed people, if you're not really an independent contractor, you might also get a 1099, so this is important for you too. So the big difference is with a W-2, when you're an employee, your boss is already taking out taxes from your paycheck, federal and state income taxes. But if you're getting a 1099, your boss is not taking out taxes from your paycheck. That's actually your responsibility. So you are the one who has to go and check how much tax you owe on what you're being paid, and then you're responsible for setting that money aside and sending it to the IRS. I should also mention that just because someone forgets to send you a 1099 doesn't mean you're out of paying the taxes. You owe the taxes when you get the money. Now, a lot of people don't know this. They don't know that taxes aren't taken out from pay listed on 1099s, or they don't know that they're an independent contractor. Maybe they think they're an employee and that their boss is already taking out the taxes from their paycheck. So unfortunately, when we see that, people end up getting a really big tax bill at the end of the year because they think they've been paying income taxes, but they haven't, and so they owe all of it all at once. So I think it's really important for you to talk to your employer and figure out whether or not you're specifically classified as an employee or an independent contractor. So to give some examples, I guess, someone working as a cashier at a store would probably be an employee. But someone who maybe is a contractor who works on a house, probably an independent contractor, unless you're working for somebody else who fixes houses. So if you're not sure, check with your boss. Also might want to check your withholding, because sometimes employers don't know how much they need to take out. Sometimes they make a mistake, so it's good to check about that. But getting back to 1099s, if you get a 1099, you may also be required to make estimated tax payments. You probably are. So estimated tax payments are actually made 4 times during the year. That's when you send these taxes that you owe to the IRS. If you don't make these payments on time, you will be charged late fees, which is another reason why people who forget to take out taxes from their 1099 end up with really big bills. So it's important to make those on time. They're made 4 times throughout the year. So for details on exactly how to make those, I would say check out IRS Publication 505. It's a big instruction sheet that goes over a whole lot of stuff about withholding and income taxes, and it has sections that are specifically designed to help people figure out how much they owe for their estimated tax payments, and then figure out how to send it to the IRS correctly. So yeah, check out that, check with your employer. That's everything I had to say today. Thank you. And if you're ever in trouble with the IRS or the Maryland Comptroller with your income taxes, maybe check out Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service. Thank you.